Hey everybody, Mr. Bells here. I got one last opportunity for you. I'm hoping you take advantage of this, but it's up to you. Yes, it is an extra credit assignment, and I feel like some of you need it because some of the things have been a little bit challenging in here, and that's part of what we're going to talk about. So, what do you need to do? And there's no skimping on this. You either get it all or you don't. So first, I need you to teach me something by way of video, just like I'm doing right here. You can use your phone, you can use your Chromebook, whatever it is. You've got a few days to be able to do this. Make it happen, no excuses. It's worth 10 more points. So with the extra credit that I gave you before, that's 20 points. That's as much or more than I've given in any other marking period for other classes. So, first, teach me. 3 minutes, something. So you're gonna go up to a board, whiteboard, piece of paper, something. You're going to talk to me, you're going to teach me, and you can just tell me some of the stuff. If you give me diagrams, that'd be great. So let's say that I was going to talk about ellipses. So I've got this x minus 3 squared plus y minus 4 squared. Oh, let's make that y plus 4 squared. This is over 9. This is over 16, and we're going to set that equal to 1. So say it was in a data class, and I'm talking about these particular things. So I'd want to know all of the stuff about it. So you would tell me, what do these things in these parentheses mean? What does that do with my shape? Why is this thing an ellipse in the first place? How wide is it? How tall is it? Give me a graph of it. Tell me something about ellipses. Maybe even talk about foci. All of those things are things that I need you to do, and I need you to make that presentation for that teaching moment at least 3 minutes long. Okay? Now, in geometry, you can talk about isometries, which are the rigid motion movements. You can talk about anything specific, translations, rotations, reflections, applied reflections. You can talk about perimeters and areas. You can talk about anything that we've covered, okay? But I need it to be something that more than say a fifth grader could do. I want it to be something that you really looked back at and look and go, yeah, that was kind of difficult. I'm going to teach that, and I'm going to do it right. If you're talking about data, I don't want to see one little thing of prime factorization say, yeah, that works. No. Talk to me about rational functions. Talk to me about some of your conic sections like I just did here. Talk to me about radicals and why they work the way they do. Talk to me about quadratics and all the things that go into it. Again, a minimum 3 minutes in that presentation, and then make sure that this is correct. Okay? What else do you need to do? In the same video, you then, as soon as you're done, you're going to talk to me about this. 1, how did watching the videos that I've created for all of the topics in this class go? Pros, cons, things that you like, things that you didn't like. Did it help? Did it not help? What did you do with it? Give me some information. Next, and I know this has been a sore point for me, for some of you, online homework. Online homework is the best way for me to be able to cover the stuff that I really need to cover and to match my videos with it. However, some of you are not using it correctly. So tell me, how did it work for you? What were some of your struggles with it? What were some of the things that you liked about it? Tell me how that online homework went. It's all on Big Ideas. It's all there for you. So talk about that. 3, tell me how dealing with this out of class or out of school, then back into school, then back out of school, how has this affected you? I know that this isn't necessarily an easy situation with it, but be honest with it. You see on my word up here, I have perseverance. Perseverance is a skill that you're not born with. Perseverance just means, are you willing to work through stuff? And I know things haven't been easy. There's lots of stuff going on in the world. But tell me how you dealt with it and how, because I don't see it changing much in this next trimester, how are you going to continue to do things well that you did? And how are you going to maybe change some of the things that happened before? Remember, us as teachers would love for you guys to reach out more. And I had some students do a great job with that. But you got to be willing to do that. Again, we're here to help as long as you're willing to work. And the fourth thing, the last thing of this spring, tell me something good that's going on in your life. There's enough stuff that we've had to deal with so far that maybe isn't so good. Tell me something good that's going on in your life. Okay? So I'm going to put this up here. This is due Sunday night. Yes, this Sunday night, November 22nd, 9 p.m. You need to email me. And what you're going to do is you're going to give me a video link. So I'm going to put this right here on the camera so that everybody can see this. I'm going to focus it in here. You can stop the video, pause it right now. Make sure you hit all these things. If you don't hit everything that's on here, there's no points, okay? You got to do it all. Don't need an email from you. Sorry, don't need an email from you late on Sunday night. I can't get this to work. I can't get. You have from now, when you see this, until Sunday night at 9 o'clock to have in my email box a link to your video with all of this stuff. I wish you well. I hope you do a great job with this. I'm looking forward to seeing you talk to me about math and life and how this class went. Take care. Bye.